everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a mystery box from Cricut. This is the Igloo Dreams box. And if you are just now watching the video and it's just become available, quickly run. The link is below and get your own mystery box. They do sell out fast. This one has a cutie. This was sent to me by Cricut to review for you. So let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, there's a lot in this box. Okay, first up, obviously, we see the hat. Then we've got the Cricut mini glue sticks. I could definitely use those. Removable matte vinyl. Oh, that's pretty. So this is the color Winter Sparkle. It is 6. Oh, there's different colors. Okay, it's 6 12 by 12. Looks like there's 2 of each color. And there's 3 different colors. So let's see what they are. This is Cricut and Hostess with the Mostess premium vinyl. Removable matte. I do like their matte items. I just think the matte looks neat in journals. Okay. Let's see if I can show us without taking it all the way out. So we have this cool blue. And then we have black and gold. Almost looks like carpet. And then it's probably dark blue. It's probably like a navy. Let's see if I'll just hang it. Oh. Alright, there we go. That's better. Oh, and now we've got more tape. So let's see if we can clean that up without ruining the vinyl. Okay. So, black and... oh, that's what it looks like. And then there's one more. Ooh. That gives me a beachy vibe. This one gives me a snow vibe, and that one gives me a beachy vibe. You know. Okay. Next up, we have some infusible ink in patterns. It's a windbreaker. We've got... I can't really open this one to show you the way infusible ink works. You want to use it once you open it. But it's got these. It's 4 12 by 12. So it's going to have blue dots, red dots, this little almost like 80s, but not 80s colors, and then red and black dots, it looks like. So, pretty cool. Infusible ink. Infusible ink you want to use on polyester items. So, make sure whatever you use has the highest polyester count possible. This one is removable matte also in Natalia. Is it Malin, or is that a T or an L? It's premium vinyl Tide Pool sampler. So you've got the blues, the like greenish turquoise, and the greens, and there's 2 of each. And it looks like they're solid. Sorry for the noise. Okay. Oops. When you're opening boxes, you can't really avoid that. Okay, yeah. So it's not solid. It's got like a marble effect, but it's it's pretty. So very cool. And that is removable matte. And they're 12 by 12 sheets, I'm sure. Yep. Then you've got some Cricut Joy insert cards. So, and these are pretty cool. When you cut them, you just cut these little slits on the end and then you insert. You can use them separately too if you want. I've done that before. Very pretty colors. Then we've got some Strong Bond Martha Stewart Everyday Iron-On. It's 1 12 by 24. It looks like a copper, yeah, copper color. So that's pretty. And then we've got some foil transfer sheets, and this is a big sheet. So it's 8 12 by 12 in the color Rose Gold. So that color right there. So definitely some pretty I mean, pretty different colors here. So we've got like the coppers, the rose golds, the pinks, and the blues in this one. Not quite sure what I'm going to make, but I know you guys are waiting for this. This is a Cricut Cutie in the color Platinum Blue. This is a new color. So let's see what color Platinum is. I think it's kind of a silvery blue, right? Which, I mean, you got the cool vibes, so that would make sense. Doo-doo. Nope, I guess not. Not silvery. Oh, I guess she does have, okay. Look, this is cute. So most of the time, the antlers, I'm looking at the ones that I have up on the wall, the antlers match the color, but look at her. She's got like a platinum antlers and she's blue. Oh, and her arms, how cute. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. I'm gonna find something to create with all of this stuff. Normally I feel like the vibes one way or the other what to do, and this I just don't know. If you have a suggestion, let me know below, but in the meantime, let's create.